Welcome back to Real Time Chat Series. And if you want to have a great project listed in your resume, then this is the project for you. So, in this episode, we are going to register the new app in the Pusher and see how we can configure the Pusher for our broadcast system in Laravel. So, with that, I'm your host Sarthak. This is a channel where I talk about Laravel and the cool thing about Laravel. So, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like Bitfumes on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So, firstly, we have to go to pusher.com. So, I will say pusher.com and it will open here. And firstly, you have to sign up. So, I have already signed up, and obviously, it's very simple to sign up because you can use the Google account or the GitHub account. So, I think everyone has Google if you don't have GitHub. So, I will sign up with Google. So Pusher is here. Now my dashboard is here. You have to go to your apps and now you can create new app. I have already created that for testing. So you can create a new app. Let's give this new app name. So we will give the new name for our chat. So I will say chat app, simple chat app. And now the cluster you want to have. So whatever you want to give, I'm from India, so I will give this Mumbai, India. And if you want, you can use anyone. It doesn't matter where you are from. So that's good. And now if you want to give other options, it's up to you, but I don't want to give more complication. Just the app name and the cluster, create my app, it's done. Okay, so our app is created. Let's go to app keys. Okay, so let's get this key from here. Go to our project, open this .env file, and firstly we have to do one thing. Broadcast driver, make it as a pusher. Okay, and the pusher key give here, pusher id give here, pusher secret give here. Okay, next we have to give the ap2 cluster name. Obviously, again I'm telling you, this is up to you. If you have other cluster, use that. Don't use ap2 everywhere. Okay, so we have to open config folder, broadcasting.php, and here you will see cluster EU, but my cluster name is ap2. Okay, so this is good. So this is configured. Let's see what next we have to do. For pusher, we already have done this part in the last episode. We have done this part. Now we have to install our Laravel Echo. We have already created the events in the last episode. Now it's time for Echo. So here it is. So we have to install Laravel Echo. So Laravel Echo installing. So from here, paste it. npm install dash dash save laravel dash echo pusher dash js. Both things it will install for us on our project. While it's installing, we have to import these things. So if I go to my app.php, which is inside resources, asset.js, and this app.js file, you can see it's requiring bootstrap, and the bootstrap, the file bootstrap, not the framework, is already having these things but commented. Just uncomment this and we will have everything here. Now we have to provide the pusher key. So let's provide the pusher key. So key, copy from here and paste it here. And next we have to also provide the cluster name and encrypted. So comma, paste these things here, ap2. Okay, so we have configured this one also. So if I go, and you can see the npm laravel echo and pusher.js is installed. Let's run npm run watch and let's see is there any kind of error. Okay, so, and yes, it's now completed and with no error. That means everything is fine. So let's see how we can do these things. So let's create a route to test this thing. So I will create one route, the same route we want. So that should be send, and here I will also say send, but because for testing I am using this a get request, so I will go to controller, chat controller, and you can see I have all these things. I will duplicate this, comment one of this because I will need this later, because this is a get request. I just want to give these things. So I am already logged in. You can see here I am logged in. If I go here, you can see I'm already logged in. So now what I have to do, I have to go to this send route that will initialize this event, and we should get on the debug console of the pusher, we should get the information we are sending to pusher. Okay, so let's see how we can do all these things. So we have created this, we are getting the ID of the user, and according to that ID we are getting the user, we are passing the message. So now obviously we have to pass some kind of message here. So let's say message will be hello, simple. Okay, so let's go to our send route, but before testing let's do something. I have to include this chat event at the top, so find use at the top, that's good. And in the chat event we have to use this model also, so use model at the top, so that's good. Okay, so now let's go to this send route, hit enter, and we should get here, but it's not giving that thing. That is because we have configured our .env file, but we have not restarted the server. So let's restart our server, and now let's go hit this route, go to pusher, and yeah, we have hello, and the user is null. I think there is some problem with the user. So what I will do, that is because we don't have to use return in both these cases. So save this, go back, reload, and go here. Let's see, yes, we are having the hello as the message and every detail of the user. Obviously if you want to give the name only, you can give the user name only, like this. I will show you. So arrow name, okay, and in the chat event you will say user arrow. Obviously we are only getting name, so it doesn't have to do anything. Let's go reload. It says oops, we have to provide like this, I think, name here, and here we have to provide the whole user. That's okay. And let's go here, check out the latest one, and we are getting only the name and only the message. That's very nice. So we have configured anything, we just have to listen all these things. So we will do these things in the next part, where we will use the Laravel echo to listen actually what we are broadcasting. So if you have learned something from Bitfumes, and if you want to support, just become my Patreon on patreon.com. You can donate $1 or more, and don't forget to share this video with your friends, like Bitfumes on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. We will meet in the next episode. Till then, goodbye.